Ekuthule bandlela. Ekuthule bandlela. Umfana kagama lo. Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we examine music ucula ugwaba. Always break down numbers to try and get the message behind the song, give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. What is up, bro? We are yo, hey, yo, ane, ay, 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 ay. Bandindlebe ugcina ungasezwa. Ah, ah. Anywho, what is up, bro? Yeah. Oh, no, there we go. What is up, bro? We're back with another one. We're back with another one. Yo, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for viewing. We are as I'm shooting this, we are currently sitting on 444. We are 56 subscribers. 50, yeah, 56 subscribers away from 500. Let's get there. Let's get it. So make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, man. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And also, please share to others as well. Don't forget to comment. Comment, guys. So it's been a minute since I've reacted to Throne of Grace Ministries. Like it's been a minute. So yes, so we are reacting to Throne of Grace Ministries. Sincike ngompheleli emseni wakho sincike man. Let's just dive right into it, man. Guys, ngithanda nje ukungavuli volume. Oh, sincike, we are balancing fully, or we are dependent. We are dependent fully on your grace. Wow. If this is how these people sound on a daily, on a normal, damn man, on a normal Sunday. If this is how they sound on a normal Sunday, can you imagine Baba Pelele an event to go to Gunjan, in which I haven't reacted to the event or anything? Throne of Grace, if ever any of you guys and Konza Corner do find this, did you post anything good? If you have like videos that you haven't posted, well, you can post them, or just DM me on TikTok so that you can give me that video. I wanna see it. Emsani wakho baba ungomusa wakho baba anje sincike wena asincike kuwona umsa wakho sincike ngokuphelele thina. This man, the way he sings, oh my God. He sings from here. What? The thing is, I'm not sure which one is this one. As if Angagayazi, I can't separate them as yet. Throne of Grace, guys. So I haven't really know. I don't really know people. As yet, I'm talking about singers and stuff like that. Enye into ngizonisikela yona the DJ nginisikela yona. Until then, I am not telling you guys. Skata skagafiki. Nanje enjoyani lokho enikwaziyo about me and the people in my family. Yeah. The rest, not now. Not now. But dog, you gotta be out of your mind, bro. Like, ish. Man, controversial leader. Oh my god. And I'm really pretty sure that's the only way he sings. And then when he speaks, told you to voice man, bro. The bass Alana, my in the beginning is insane. And I'm still saying, if it thrown, this is how they sound like on a normal Sunday. Imagine who event how these people sound like. The way Lana ihamba ngakhona, bro. Ayizimiselanga ngokuma anywhere for nobody. Isihlalo somusa. Emsani wakho baba. Ungomusa wakho baba. Anje singike kuwena. Asingike kuwona. Umsa wakho. Singike ngokuphelele Singike ngokuphelele Akansani wakho What they saying? Yeah, you must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind, man. Throne. Guys, no, man. No. Like, you guys are making my job difficult now. How am I going to explain this to people? How am I supposed to react and at the same time take in and also comment? It's hard to do that. It is hard to passion, bro, and the chemistry. Those things are key to having some of the best singing you could ever get in anything, bro. Listen to the way it bases the core. Listen to how it and the alto are just swerving around the song. Just listen. Angazi bathi ithemba lethu lonke likuwe. If not, tell me in the comment what it says. I mean, it's the first time. Oh,
Sing me Betty.
I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Whoever hasn't discovered this Zion right now, I bayaphuthela. Into ebuhlungu kanjani? Because there is no way. There is no way. I don't know. For the past 2 weeks, the level of singing I've been reacting to, it's just insane. Ngithini mina le mina ngithini? Ngizothini? That was beautiful. That was beautiful. For the fact that on a normal Sunday, this is how they sound like. On a normal Sunday, it goes to say that when people are willingly doing something, you will get some of the best results ever, bro. That was powerful. We are solely dependent on your mercy because all of our trust and loyalty is in you. Done. That is a bar. That is powerful. What you say? That is powerful. For me ayikho into endlula lokho, bro. If ikhona, hayi safanele ngizwe, but yo, don't forget to give me a recommendation, man. So in the favorite joint of who? Me, Still Cupid, I'm signing out. Adios. Thank God.